guys, just after 6 years, the 2x2 world record single is finally broken with a 0.47 second solve by Guanbo Wang from China. Watch till the end because I'll be showing you the breakdown of this solve. First, let's check out the original video which was recorded by his mom. So the solve is pretty simple, and those who attended the comp definitely got a personal record in this scramble. But sadly, he got a DNF in his average after getting a DNF in his second and third solve, making him to place last in the final round. So let's get right into the solve. This is the scramble. Before we move on, I would want you to try this scramble and comment on the time you got with this scramble. As for me, it's a 1.14 second solve, which is definitely my PR. Looking at the scramble, so what we first saw is this simple L-shaped block, which is definitely an easy insertion if you would want to solve the yellow block. But the cool thing about this is when you solve the yellow, the white layer is automatically solved and you only have to do the U2 to solve the top layer, which make this an easy 3 mover. This is what they did. R, U prime, R prime. You see, it's pretty simple. Now a simple U2 solves the cube. So knowing the scramble, Guanbo Wang knew this is his chance. So literally did a yellow block, immediately solved the top layer white, and finally getting a world record solve which was unbeatable for the past 6 years. So that's all from me. If you like this video, make sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Ciao.